In addition to Shiba Inu and the coins that are currently experiencing a surge in value on the market, I am not sure whether you have looked at any other coins. One of the things that makes this situation interesting is the fact that we have witnessed it like this previously. My mind wanders back to the beginning of the year 2024, when we witnessed a certain region fleeing their territory. Then we are aware of what ensued after that: Shiba Inu's growth and meme season. One more thing I want to discuss is the possibility that Shib will come next. You are now entering the channel. This is Luckside, my name. Make sure that you use the subscribed button that is located below if you have not already done so. You are free to ring the bell once again at any time. There will be a notification sent to you every time there is a new live video on the channel. We have these brief sub-cycles, which are periods of time during which particular coins are pumped via a pump. The fact that we are waiting for meme season and for meme coins in general to experience the same kind of massive explosion that we witnessed earlier this year is something that we have already mentioned, since this entire event took place in a very particular manner at the beginning of this period of bull market condition. Every single one of ADA, XRP, AVAX, and Solana went on their respective runs. There was a lot of success among all of them in the beginning of this year. After that, there was a loop formed by the AI. Among the other things that we witnessed, Jasmy, WorldCoin, Fetch, Render, and Blur went on runs. They are not exactly artificial intelligence, but they are in a way their own entity. In addition to that, there was the massive trend of joke coins, CoinTalk, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and a whole host of other rubbish are all things that you are familiar with, right? Additionally, the quite wonderful runs to go on when I am there. That we are witnessing the same thing happening once more is an intriguing phenomena. An enormous pump was seen in ADA, XRP, and a great number of other tier 1s headquartered in the United States. What do you happen to notice as you look around the room at this very moment, as of right now? Is there a feeling of deja vu with Fetch, Render, Jasmine, and WorldCoin? However, funny coins have not yet made their move. Is it possible that this indicates that joke coins are going to be the next big thing in the cryptocurrency market? Almost certainly. Although we are not claiming that this is a sure thing or that it is sound financial advice, there are a lot of signals that are similar. To reiterate, we can see that a significant number of people in the area are hunting for the next great thing to get. This is something that we can observe. Is it not obvious that Shiba Inu is prepared to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity? The roof is being pressed down with great force. It's chilly in my pickup. Hello there. I feel guilty that I am trembling a little bit right now. In addition, I am really excited because we have witnessed all of this happening in the past. In the majority of cases, these maneuvers become more significant, more aggressive, and bring in a greater amount of money and people. In terms of Shiba Inu, that is essentially what we are anticipating at the moment. Is that okay? At the moment, all of this is taking place at the same time as fresh capital is being brought into the market. Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency market is expanding, we have not yet witnessed a significant decrease in the power of the USCT. The worth of all cryptocurrencies in the world has surpassed $3.7 trillion at this point. And in spite of the fact that Bitcoin spiked in value overnight and surpassed 1,000,10, the fact that it is trapped between 10,000 and 10300 has caused it to somewhat slow down. Altcoins are currently experiencing a resurgence in their value. Oh, yeah, and that is kind of why I I've said earlier, I don't remember if it was an ADA video or a ship video, um, that the surge in Bitcoin dominance was really just a dead cat bounce. Um, I made this statement because I believe that it is true. It appears that Bitcoin's influence will continue to decrease, which is beneficial for alternative cryptocurrencies, as they will see in the future. It is for this reason that Shib is preparing itself. Some of the most significant inflows, adoption, and power will increase across the space, and we had a conversation about it earlier today. And it would not surprise me in the least if Shib rose to that range of 3 to 4%, which is the dominating range for this market cycle. While it is essential to keep in mind that SHIB is still in its infancy and expanding, the company is already shown that it has the potential to profit from some of the new money that is entering the market. It is imperative that we do not forget what it did at the beginning of the cycle. It is essential to pay attention to what it is doing at the moment in order to construct a foundation of holders and to continue demonstrating strong fundamentals. I want to emphasize that the price is always the last measure to look at, as this is the most crucial item I want to emphasize. It is always the very last item that moves when you go through all of these different subcycles. At this point, we are observing that a meme coin subcycle is extremely likely to occur at any given moment. At the time that we last saw it, the meme coin subcycle had been running for approximately 1 week, and then there was a pump that lasted for approximately 2 days. Do you think that they should be able to proceed through the subsequent few subcycles in a very short amount of time? It may continue for several days. It is obvious that we witnessed the pump with layer 1s the previous week. Nonetheless, it is important to keep in mind that Shib is capable of making these significant and dramatic moves very quickly. This doesn't take very long at all, considering the significant decrease in supply from exchanges. The supply shock has not yet had a significant impact on Shib in a significant way. When the prices were being raised, there is a greater availability of the product than there is now at these levels. It is for this reason why this sign is so exciting. What I observe in the cryptocurrency sector is quite appealing to me. As a result, variation is critical as well. On the other hand, it appears like Shib will be one of the ones that strikes next, regardless of when that happens, whether it be in a day, a week, a month, or some other time frame. We are confident that Shib will do exceptionally well when it reaches these great highs, which we anticipate will occur sometime in the months of March, April, or May. The boys, I am extremely grateful to you. I hope you had a good time watching the video. Please share your thoughts with me. To what extent do you feel that Shib will